Welcome everyone. In this wireframing tutorial, we'll learn how to wireframe a language translation website for a translation service agency using MockFlow Wireframe Pro. Start by adding the browser frame and entering the website name. Then place the website logo followed by the site name. Add the header using the menu component and customize it. Next, insert a circle shape, style it, and place a search icon from the MockFlow icon library inside it. Add a button, customize it as a CTA, and complete the header section. Now, add an image component for the hero section. Below the image, insert bold heading text, followed by a CTA button labeled Discover More. For the Experience section, add an image component and a rectangle. Inside the rectangle, place the section title, heading, description, and a CTA button. Next, create the Services section. Add a background rectangle and place the section heading and text description. Then add another rectangle as the service card. Insert a smaller rectangle for the service title. Add the title text, an icon from the library. And the service description. Add a plus icon to the card. Reuse this first card to create multiple service cards and customize them as needed. Similar to the previous experience section, add another block showcasing one more featured experience. For the Languages section, add a background rectangle and a heading. Using the Charts UI kit, insert the world map from the Maps section in it and customize it. Then add a progress bar, enter the language and its global translator percentage. And reuse the first one to create the remaining language indicators. Next, add the testimonial section. Start with an image placeholder, then add the reviewer's text, name, and designation. Now create the Queries section. Add a background rectangle, customize it, and add the heading how it works. Insert an image placeholder. Then add a circle shape with numbers to form bullet points. Duplicate the first one to complete the flow. In the same section, add the FAQ column by placing a rectangle, a plus icon, a question, and an answer. For the remaining FAQs, reuse the first layout using question-only rows. Add the Get Quote section by inserting input fields and customizing them, followed by a message box. And a CTA button labeled Get Quote. Now add the lead section, starting with a background rectangle. Add a heading, a short description, an input field, and a CTA button labeled Subscribe Now. Add social media icons from the MockFlow icon library, and customize them. Then place a divider line and add the footer text. Your wireframe is now complete. Add images, refine the layout where needed. And you'll have a well-structured translation service agency website designed quickly using MockFlow Wireframe Pro. Try creating this wireframe yourself using MockFlow Wireframe Pro. It makes wireframing simple and efficient. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MockFlow wireframing tutorials.